Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to change auto switching move assistance mode. In the beginning let's go to settings, enter settings again and game settings. In gameplay scroll down and go to auto switching move assistance. Switch between none, low, high. Auto switch move assistance keeps the player who you have auto switched to moving in their current direction for a period of time. This gives you time to orient your intended direction for the new player. The higher the assistance level, the longer the period of the time player will run. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe.